Couscous stuffed squid is a delicious dish that assumes a more modern and international touch with the addition of couscous. Here is how to prepare Italian-style couscous stuffed squid. Ingredients: 4 medium-sized squids, cleaned, 150 grams of couscous, 200 milliliters of vegetable or fish broth, 1 clove of garlic, 1 ripe tomato, parsley to taste, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, optional for a spicy note, 1 lemon to garnish, Taggiasca olives or capers, optional to add an Italian touch. Preparation: prepare the couscous following the instructions on the package, usually by pouring it into a bowl and adding the boiling broth. Let it rest covered for the indicated time, then fluff it with a fork. In a frying pan, fry the garlic clove with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Add the diced tomato and cook for a few minutes. Add the cooked couscous to the pan with the tomatoes, remove the garlic, and season with salt, pepper, chopped parsley, and if liked, paprika. Mix everything well. Stuff the squids with the couscous mixture, being careful not to press too hard to avoid breaking them during cooking. Close them with a toothpick at the end. In a large pan, heat a drizzle of oil and lay the stuffed squids in it. Cook over medium-high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are golden brown and cooked inside. If you wish to further enrich the dish, you can add chopped Taggiasca olives or capers to the couscous stuffing for a stronger taste. Serve the stuffed squid hot, decorating the plate with lemon slices and a drizzle of raw oil. Curiosity: couscous, despite its North African origins, fits very well into Italian cuisine, ends to its versatility. In this dish, the Italian tradition of stuffed seafood is blended with flavors and textures that recall the Mediterranean, in a variation of taste and culture.